Looking back, it wasn't a great time for students of color at Lehigh.
It wasn't easy to feel welcomed, to feel accepted.
But then, the UMOJA House was created as a place to feel supported, safe, and surrounded by love.
To feel included, like part of a family or a loving community that always had your back, no matter what was going on at Lehigh.
To have a home away from home, where you could develop lifelong friendships and find comfort.
It's a place that makes us feel proud of who we are, that makes us feel emboldened and empowered to do even more to shape the campus community we are a part of.
What was created was a foundation for generations of students who come to Lehigh
to live, to learn, to create, to discover their passions and fulfill their dreams.
It's more than just a building. It's a place that challenged Lehigh, that enriched Lehigh, that changed Lehigh forever.
We are proud. We are family.
We are UMOJA.